Hello family, it's your guy Huff, and I hope all is well. I'm not going to keep you too long today, family. Family, in my last video, you see I added storage to my PowerStation 6 Unlimited. I did add a NVMe M.2 SSD hard drive. It was a total of 1 terabyte storage. And I told you there are various ways that you can utilize this storage. You can migrate all your applications over to this. You can have a lot of applications on 1 terabyte, and you wouldn't have to use your internal storage. You also can migrate movies over to it, over your network. And family, that's what I'm using mine for. So I'm going to show you how to go to your live programming and how you will be able to record your programming, whether it be a one-time recording or for the whole week, maybe the whole month. Family, let's get into it. Family, you know I can't show you too much on here, so I'm not going to choose a live broadcast. I'm going to choose this advertisement banner. So family, all you have to do is just push the record on your remote control, and that will start your recording. And if you want to end your record, you simply would just push the record button again, and you have the option to stop your recordings. Simple as that. Family, go ahead and push the home button on your remote, and let's go right here to record PVR. And you see family, the recordings have migrated over here. You're able to do a playback of your recordings. You also can delete your recording by just pushing the red button on your remote for the delete. Right here family, where it says create recording, sometimes you might go in here and you'll see the options are not working for you because you have to go over here and choose the server that you are using. So I'm choosing my server, so make sure you do that family. And right here where it says frequency, a one-time recorder or multi-day recording, you have that option. So you see the days of the week that we have up there, that is the multi-day recording. We can go right here to channel name. You can search for the channel, or family, just choose the channel that you would like to record. I'm not going to do that right now. This is just a demo. Let's click back. Family, let's go over a few of the PVR options together. We have our time shift. I have that enabled. You want to turn that on. This will allow you to pause your live programming while you're watching it. Then we have force USB TC. Now I didn't enable that, but I'll show you. If you click on it, you can turn it on and off. I left it off. Now, enabling this option forces the system to ignore the catch-up stream and uses the TS buffer on your external media instead. Like for all your channels that don't have catch-up, I guess it would force it over to this USB TS, which would be my internal storage that I've added. I've done a little research on it family, but not enough, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna leave that off by default until I do get further research on that for you. And then family, we have the time shift cache storage. Time shift uses the cache storage to temporarily hold files while creating snapshots. It's best to leave this on, family. Leave it enabled. Disabling the cache can affect performance and potentially cause issues with snapshot creation. So you need the snapshot creations, family. I think the best way to describe it, family, that it's creating a digital footprint for the system to have some cross reference to where it started or where it ended from. If that makes sense to your family. And family, I'm about to wrap this one up. Family, it just simply doesn't get any better. What I like about it, you already had your program scheduled, but that doesn't stop you from being able to watch your regular programming. So you still can go ahead and watch your television shows, watch a movie, check out your favorite TV series, and it won't disrupt the recording. So if you're on a schedule and you're a busy family, just set your recording for your favorite programming or that game you don't want to miss. Now this box has a dedicated on and off button. Guess what, family? If you turn that button off, it's still going to continue your scheduled recording. You can turn it back on. It's not going to disrupt anything. Family, be good, be safe, and I'll be back at you with another one.